Hello you guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're gonna install this can into the 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. So you're gonna tell me that, oh, the car don't need one because it's not the direct injection engine. But you know, after what I have to deal with this Pacifica, I'm gonna treat it like my my Chinese scooter. Okay, so extra precaution is what I'm doing right now. So I bought this. They don't have a kit for a Chrysler Pacifica, but they have a kit for F-150. So basically, they have the same plug that can fit. So I bought this one for. So this kit is for F-150, but it's gonna fit in the Chrysler Pacifica, and it's come with this hose right here. It's a little bit short, so I bought a longer hose. This is a Mishimoto hose. It's a half an inch, and I'll go ahead and install that in. And basically, I have to remove this cover right here, and also the intake box to get into the PCV port. So basically, I'm gonna install the can right here. So I have this bracket right here. So the can is gonna be installed right here. So the can is gonna be somewhere right here. So I have the route all the way down here and to here. So first you need to take out this two screw right here. 1, 2. Take off this cover, and then there's a 1 screw right here under here. Take this off. So you need to loosen this up to take it off. But I'll show you when I take everything off. So let's get started. And I'll see you guys when I'm done taking off all those stuff. So after I take the cover off, like I said, there's a 10mm screw right here. Take that out and loosen this up. And you should be able to pull it out from here. Just pull forward. Sorry, I forgot about the plug right here. So you got a little plug right here. And you take this out too. Here. So after you take this plug out and the bottom out, you should be able to pull that thing out. Now, when you're done with that, this is the line we want to talk about right here. So you pull off this line. Yeah, you pull off this line. You pinch this down, and you just pull it out. Sorry, it's hard to do with the. Give me a second. So now you got this 2-port open, this one and that one, right? This one, right? So that one is gonna be for the input on the can, and this one gonna be the output. So that one I'm gonna route up and all the way over here. So route up and all the way over here where the can is, and same thing with this forward, and then go across and then down to the can right here. So I finally got this installation done. So I got the bracket right here, go across, come down here, install the catch can, and then you got the 2 wire, go straight in, down, and plug it in here. So this for the out and that for the in. So the in wire goes straight into the in, as you can see, and then the out go all the way back into this intake manifold. So as you can see, now I'll go ahead and put this the intake box back in and see how it go. All right. Look pretty sturdy. So I got everything in. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the engine and see how it works. Look pretty scared. Look pretty tough. Bracket, everything look good. Everything look pretty well. So final video, as you can see, it went straight in, have plenty of room. I'm trying to lie in there, you can see. So there's plenty of room, you can see. So the cable, the line does not touch this box, or it's not interfere with this box. So go straight, nothing interfere, just a good right around loop. So everything's in, everything look good, and I'll go ahead and start the engine and see how it go. But it should be fine. So that's it for this video, and I will see you guys on the next video, and surely I will give you an update on how this catch can is doing after a couple of thousand miles. All right, okay, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.